Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we will learn about another quiz and we will solve like what is the answer of this quiz. So here we have expression which contain the basic operation of the math like plus, division, multiplication and subtraction. So now we have to see like what uh, the number we will show. First we will solve it and after that we will get the answer, correct answer. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel so that you can learn these type of educational content from my channel and share with others so they can also learn. Let's start this question. Like here we have 3 plus 6, which is multiplied with the bracket 5 plus 9 and divided by 3 and minus 7. So now we, before starting this part, we have to know like we know the board mass uh, rule here. So what is that meaning? We have first is B is for bracket, O for is order, which is power, contain like power, exponent or root, right? And D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction, right? So now we have to solve like what is this expression if we solve through this BODMAS expression. So now let's 3 plus 6 multiplied by 5 plus 4 divided by 3 minus 7, right? So now we have to first, if according to the BODMAS method, we have to solve first the bracket. So here we have the bracket is 9. So first we will solve the 9 and write this expression as it is. Now, don't, okay, first you have to go through left to right? This is the very important uh, trait or rule, you can say, like you have to go from left to right. And now we have to, according to the BODMAS, we have to divide this number like this one. So we have to divide this one 3 plus 6 and divided by 9, 3 9 3 3 are 9, right? And after that we have to solve multiplication. Like here we did the division. Here we solve the bracket. And here now we have to solve like 3, 6, oh sorry, 6, 3 the 18. This is multiplication. Now here we did multiplication. Now we have to add first because the addition is first. So or you can subtract is not difficult, but as per rule we have to add first. So first we will add 21 and then minus 7. So addition come first. And after that, we have to subtract is 14 is the answer of this question. So if you see the 4 answers, so answer C is the correct answer of this question. So I hope you understand this question and thank you for watching. And please like and subscribe my channel so that you can learn this educational content and these type of quizzes from my channel. And like and share with others so they can learn also. And thank you for watching. That's it for today. Bye-bye. We will meet in next class. Bye-bye. Allah Hafiz.